Good morning, Justin here with the Avant-Garde collection. I thought I would do a little walk around video for the final days of our 1985 F-150 XLT Lariat four-wheel drive and show you guys what this looks like in real life. This is just over a 2,000 mile truck, and it shows. Everything about this truck is right. Every nook and cranny is gorgeous. It's the little things that you look at in these trucks that show you that they're original. And there's just nothing quite like it. I don't get to see these trucks in this condition every day. I don't think anyone does. So when you do get to see one, it's quite a treat. Kind of packed in here today, but hopefully I can get around this. I mean, everything's just so nice. Little lift on this truck recently, gives it a little better stance. Velour seat. Someone was commenting that there's unusual wear on this. There's certainly not. Just kind of folds one way or another, you know, like a old velour couch, but she's right, exactly the way it looked coming out of the factory. Dash is perfect. Headliner has a little glue separation there. It's not quite up against the cardboard, but that's about all I can fault it for. Well, let's look at the motor. I'll do a start on it too. Call this a cold start in case we didn't do one already. Starts perfect, doesn't smoke, doesn't drip anything, obviously. It's just as clean as it should be. And there she is, guys. If anyone would like me to take more pictures or videos, or if there's any questions you have about this truck, please ask them in the comments and I will get right back to you. If you need a shipping quote or anything else, we are here to help. Just push the contact seller button and you can get in direct contact with us for any private communications. Thanks again, guys. We'll be looking forward to seeing you in the auction.